Go on.
What is this plastic melted
Plastic.
here?
It's plastic.
Was it melted?
It's not. It
No,
just
it's
sits there.
a protective thing.
Huh? It's got bubbles in it.
It's a protective thing on it.
Okay,
Just left it on.
do your thing.
I gotta open it first.
Well, hey, you're on.
It's okay, I got a half hour. Okay. Let's try 3.
What's the red light mean?
Red light.
There's a red light here, yeah.
Oh, it's fine.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay. Let's do the other one. How
No,
high?
he can put more in there.
Let's see what happens.
Put more Mentos in there and see what happens.
Nope. Nope. Try the other one.
Now this one, what I'm gonna do,
He's eating one now.
use the other one. I'm just gonna drop the whole sleeve in.
Okay.
You ready?
Ready?
Yep.
Didn't quite work as planned.
Oh well. That's the end of that. And he's going to drink the
He
rest.
can drink the soda. It doesn't hurt him.
I got
Was
that.
that what you was going to wear tonight? Not anymore.
Nobody will notice.
Nobody noticed? So all you're done?